You want friends, but somehow you're still alone. You've tried being nice, you've tried being interesting, still nothing. Here's what no one is telling you: it's not about being likable, it's about being available. Most people wait to be invited, they never invite first. Friendship is a two-way street you're too scared to walk down. Reason 1: you're always on your phone. You're in a room full of people, but your face is in a screen. You've trained people that you're not interested, so they stopped trying. Reason 2: you never ask real questions. How are you? Good. You? That's not conversation, that's script. Friendships deepen when you ask the scary question. Reason 3: you avoid vulnerability. You keep conversations surface level because you're afraid of being judged. But connection doesn't happen in the safe zone, it happens in the messy zone. Reason 4: you expect perfection. One awkward silence and you think it's over. One missed text and you withdraw. Real friendship isn't flawless, it's forgiving. Reason 5: you don't show up consistently. Friendship is a plant. Skip watering too many times, it dies. Reason 6: you wait for others to entertain you. You don't bring energy, you expect to receive without giving. That's not friendship, that's an audience. Here's the truth no one tells you: people are lonely too. They're just as scared as you. The difference is someone has to go first. So, what do? Put the phone down, ask a real question, share something real, send the first text, invite first, expect imperfection, start small, say hi to someone tomorrow, ask about their weekend, listen, actually listen, then do it again the next day. Consistency is the secret no one talks about. You don't have friends because you've been waiting. Stop waiting. Go be the friend you're looking for today.